Question number 8 is just like question number 9 of exercise 18a, so you people can with yourself. And now question number 9. A wall 8 meter long and 2 meter high is to be covered with rectangular tiles 40 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Find the total cost of the tiles at the rate of rupees 6 per tile. So you have to find the area of wall and the area of tile, and then you find the cost of tiles. So to find the area of wall, first you put the formula. Length of wall is equals to 8 meter, height of wall is equals to 2 meter. So area of wall is equals to length multiply height, 8 meter multiply 2 meter is equals to 16 meter square. So length of tile is equals to 40 centimeter. We convert centimeter into meters, so 40 divided by 100 is equals to 0.4 meter. Breadth of tile is equals to 20 centimeter and 20 by 100 meter is equals to 0.2 meter. Area of tile. The area tile is in rectangular form, so we use the volume area of rectangle. So length multiply breadth is equals to 0.4 multiply 0.2 meter is equals to 0.08 meter square. So number of tiles covered the wall. We divide the area of tile with the area of wall. So 16 divided by 0.08 meter square. When we put decimal, we put 1 at the place of decimal point and 00 at the place of numbers. So when we convert the sign of divide into multiplied, the next value is reciprocal. So 8 1 is 8, 8 to the 16, and 2 multiply with 100 is equals to 200. Cost of 1 tile is equals to rupees 6. So cost of 200 tiles is equals to rupees 6 multiply 200 is equals to rupees 1200. Thus total cost of tiles is rupees 1200 is our answer. Question number 10. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 64 meter. Its height is 5 meter. Find the cost of painting its 4 walls at the rate of rupees 8 per square meter. So as you know the perimeter and the height, so area of wall is equals to perimeter of rectangular hall multiply height, because when you have the perimeter you use this formula. So perimeter of rectangular hall is equals to 64 meter, height of rectangular hall is equals to 5 meter, and cost of painting wall you have to find. So first of all you have to find area of walls of hall. Perimeter of rectangular hall multiply height, 64 meter multiply 5 meter is equals to 64 5 is 320 meter square. So cost of painting 4 walls per square meter is equals to rupees 8. So cost of painting 320 meter square wall is equals to rupees 8 multiply 320 is equals to rupees 2560. Thus cost of painting 4 walls is equals to 2560 is our answer. In question number 11, in the given figure ABCD is a parallelogram given MAC is equals to 16 centimeter. This is a diagonal. AC is equals to 16 centimeter. MBM is equals to 66 centimeter. Half diagonal DL, BM and DL, half F and 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Determine the area of ABCD. As you people know, this is a shape of rhombus, and rhombus is also a parallelogram. So by using the formula of rhombus, area of rhombus 1 by 2 multiply D1 multiply D2. D is a diagonal. So D1 diagonal 1 is of parallelogram is given MAC is equals to 16 centimeter. But you have to find the diagonal 2 first of all. So diagonal 2 is the addition of these two diagonals, half diagonals, DL plus BM. So MDL plus MBM 4 centimeter plus 6 centimeter is equals to 10 centimeter. So area of parallelogram is equals to 1 by 2 multiply D1 multiply D2. 1 by 2 multiply 16 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter is equal to 16 5 is 80 centimeter square. Thus area of parallelogram ABCD is 80 centimeter square. Question number 12. The volume of cube is 120 centimeter cube. Find its total surface area. So girls, you solve this question by yourself, because you know the volume of cube given is here, and by using the formula of volume of cube L3 you find the length, and by using the length in total surface area you people solve this question easily.